Now in this video, we'll discuss and look at HMRC new penalty point system. Now if you think that missing a tax deadline just means a small fine, well, it may not be the case in the future because HMRC is moving to a penalty point system and most of the sole traders do not understand how it actually builds up. Now the key idea is instead of one-off penalty, you now collect penalty points. Every time you miss a submission deadline, quarterly updates are missed for MTD, that's another point. Final submission is late, yet another point. And these points stack up quietly in the background. Now, this is where it gets serious. Once you hit a certain threshold of points, which depends on how often you are required to file, HMRC triggers a financial penalty. And after that, every further late submission can trigger more fines. So it's not just one mistake, it becomes a pattern and HMRC tracks it. Points do not normally disappear automatically or immediately. You'll usually need a full period of compliance, meaning all the submissions on time before these points are reset. If you keep missing your deadlines, the system keeps you in the penalty zone. Now, under MTD, many sole traders will be submitting quarterly returns. That means there are more deadlines and more chances to miss or slip. If you miss a couple of your deadlines during the busy periods and then suddenly you're close to the penalty threshold without even realizing. People normally assume they focus on the year-end tax returns and they think that they will just file it right at the year end. But with MTD, every quarterly filing has to be on time or you may earn penalty points. Don't rely on last-minute bookkeeping. If your records are not updated regularly, you are more likely to miss deadlines or submit incorrect data. So MTD not just a reporting change, it's a behavioral change. You need a system, regular bookkeeping, proper reminders, and MTD compliant software. Because with these penalty point systems, small delays don't stay small. They build up and then HMRC charges you for the pattern.